So today I'm a garden for someone in Cardiff, Whitchurch area, and they've had a problem with spreading wild strawberries. They don't really want them. And let me just show you something. If you ever think of having weed membrane, plastic coated sheets, plastic sheets put over your soil, and it is not a solution for weeds. So I'm putting some up, putting it in the bin and taking a heck of a load of weeds with it. And yeah, I mean, it starts to fray and decay, ends up being part of your soil. Like, although, yeah. So I'm pulling this up now. So the lady I'm gardening for, and so basically it'll enable me to get at the weeds easier, stop them spreading like crazy. So this area now is just going to be easier. It's a lot of the weed roots are coming out. It's a gradual process. This this is one of the reasons. I mean, the weeds start decaying it, and the weather, fabric like this, it starts going into pieces, which there isn't in the bag over there. And their roots tangle up in weed membrane, plastic stuff. And they start decaying it. This, do you see, it's starting to come apart. It's white. Yeah. It'll last for a while. It might look okay for a while, maybe even for a year or two. It does keep weeds at bay for a bit, but then they just start inhabiting on top of it, and then the roots go through and decay it. So, I mean, bark's good because it like chip-ins or like bark, because they start decaying naturally and organically. Oops. Yeah, it's raining, so I won't make this a long one. But weed membrane, like artificial grass. Boo! Alright, cheers for watching again, and I'll see you in another video. Leave some comments and tell me what you think, if you disagree, or you know, whether you've had a good experience with weed membrane, maybe. Like they all say to comment below. Thank you. Thanks.